wet vac from work, so I'm going to be able to clean these seats now. I was going to take them out, but I really can't be bothered, so they're getting done in the car. Probably not the best way to do it, but it's how it's getting done. And this is what came out of the seats. Fucking disgusting. So next day, seats are all dry. What a difference. This interior looks amazing now. If anyone has a grey Calais steering wheel in mint condition, I will happily take it off your hands. So happy with this interior. Could probably use one more go over, but we'll see. I might do that tomorrow. Now, another thing I really didn't like on this car was the tint. It was obviously old, so it had gone really purple, and I'd just rather no tint at all. I reckon it looks a lot cleaner. So I thought, fuck it, I'll give it a go, see if it'll just peel off. Now, this window peeled straight off. No residue, no nothing. Like, came off perfect, so easy. Well, pure beauty. I can do it all myself, don't have to go to a tint place. Until I got to this window. So only the clear section came off, and it left all the purple and all the glue. So I think it was just this one. This is gonna be all right, and the other three are gonna be a hassle. So I'm gonna be here for a while doing this, I think. Yep. The other three are going to be free. Alright, so that is it. All 4 doors done, including the quarter windows. So much better. Only took about 45 minutes or so with the 3 that were being a real prick. So not too bad. It beats paying a tint place to take it all off. Now, something that keeps coming up in the comments over and over again that I've noticed is the grill. Now this has a fiberglass HDT grill, which I actually really like. But a lot of people have been saying, put the standard grill on, put the standard grill on. So, I have this one, which is the standard executive grill. Now it's missing the badge, but I just want to sit it on there and see what it's going to look like. I'm not a massive fan, but I do like cars as they're supposed to be. So I'm going to put it on and see what it looks like. And if it looks good, then I'll get one with a brand new badge. You can get the reproduction badges from Rare Spares. But I think I might even just pull the whole front off, like headlights, bar and everything. So I can give it a mad clean behind there. So aircon condenser is out and in the bin, and it's actually really clean behind here. I did give it a bit of a clean up, but it was really clean beforehand. Rerouted these lines a bit. They were all sort of here, there and everywhere and sitting on sharp edges. So I did some foam here and just neatened it all up. Given the bar a coat of paint while it's off. Now, cause the bars on these are supposed to be grey. Same as the rear garnish, the window trims, the grille, all in like a it looks like primer. And honestly, not a fan. I know that's how it's supposed to be, but it just makes the car look unfinished. Like, I really don't like it. So 99% of executives on the road have the bars painted satin black. So what I want to do is I'm just going to match everything to it. So rear garnish is now gloss black, so it's going to go satin. And the bars are already satin black. And I want to do the executive window trims, molds, but they're supposed to be grey as well. And I was having a look at a set at a mate's yesterday and they look shit house. Like, not a fan. So I think I'm going to get exec molds, but get them done satin black, get them powder coated. And another thing I'm going to do is I've been looking for 15x4 front runner interceptors because these ones aren't mine, they're just on loan. So I've been trying to find some, impossible, and I've been told they're very expensive even when you do find them. So I kept 2 of the interceptors that came on this car, the 15x6s, and I'm going to take them to a mate and he's going to have a go at making them into 15x4s. So I'm going to go to work, strip the tyres off, and I'll drop them off and see what he thinks. I'll let you know. Now I've got the standard grille in, and I'm going to pop the bar on and see what it looks like. I'm not hopeful. I can already tell that I'm going to hate it, so I think it's going to end up with the HDT grille back on it, but we'll see in a sec. So much better down in here without the condenser, so much cleaner. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know if I'm sold on the stock grill. It's very boring, very ugly grill. I don't know. HDT or standard exec grill? Let me know in the comments. Alright, rear garnish back on. Now satin black instead of gloss black. So much better. Just waiting on a new badge that I ordered to come. Amazing what a little bit of paint here and there can change the look of a car. In the last 10 minutes, I've decided that's it. This grill's gone. I hate this grill. When I paint the bonnet, I'll paint the HDT grill again because the colour's really off and it's got a couple of cracks. Yeah, that's a no to the exec grill. But let me know what you think anyway in the comments. One thing I have noticed in the comments recently, or in the last 2 videos anyway, is a lot of people asking what this car is in the background under the cover. Now, since buying the VN, the YouTube channel has skyrocketed. Like in the last 12 days, so not even 2 weeks ago, I posted the first video of this car and I have gained 1,300 subscribers. It's gone crazy. So from a YouTube point of view, very good purchase. But being that there's so many new subscribers, there's a lot of people asking what this car is. If you go back through the videos, there's lots of videos on this car, but I'll explain it anyway. Just a really, really quick rundown. So this is my 1988 Nissan Safiro. Now, I've had this car very long. I'm just going to do the quickest ever rundown on this car. There's plenty of videos on it. So, cage, seats, steering wheel, gauges, interior is pretty stock other than that. Fuel system in the boot, lots of suspension stuff, coilovers, drop knuckles, blah, 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 all adjustable arms. All tech kit. This car got a full respray at the start of this year. Stock 25, just forward facing intake manifold, full G-Ready hot side, G-Ready radiator, intercooler, oil cooler, as I said, drop knuckles, 5-stud conversion, makes like 300 kilowatt, though this motor is getting very, very tired, so I doubt it makes that power anymore. So for the people asking, that's the car in the background. I also have 99 Evo 6, which currently isn't here at the moment. But I do own that as well. So doing the 3 cars at the moment. Another thing I'm after is I'm hoping someone does a kit that does the bonnet struts for these. Because this is an early one, they don't have the gas struts, they got the rod. So if anyone knows if there's a company that does like a bolt-on sort of deal with bonnet struts, please let me know. I would like to do that. I hate this bonnet rod. The bonnets on these are so heavy. Yeah, lots of talking and not really much going on in this video, but I do have a lot of stuff on order. Hopefully next week or the week after I'll have a lot of stuff coming in the mail. So the next video should be cleaning this up even further. You know, I've got lots of just random little knickknacks coming that'll clean this car up a lot. And keep going with the progress. Another thing I want to point out, you know, when you buy a new car and you join all the associated Facebook pages, like, you know, recently I joined all the Evo pages and I'm part of all the Safiro pages and blah, blah, blah. So I've joined all the VN sales pages and stuff like that, LS pages. And I've been posting these videos on the VN. And I was a bit worried because with YouTube, you really do cop it in the comments. Far out do you cop it. Just everyone's an expert behind the keyboard, especially on YouTube. So I was a bit skeptical posting these videos. I thought, I'm gonna cop it from these VN guys because I don't really know what I'm talking about and blah, blah, blah. But I have to say it's been the complete opposite. It's a lot better than the Falcon pages were, just old dudes complaining and complaining. But the VN people are very welcoming. Just point out things if I say I'm wrong. People have been very helpful, messaging me pictures of their cars, VNs and stuff, which I love. So if you want to message me on Facebook or on Instagram, do so. I love talking about cars. I don't care who you are, what cars you're into, send them my way and we can have a conversation. So yeah, I just want to say the VN community or early Commodore community is very good, very happy.